Hello guys, this is Siddharth and welcome to my YouTube channel Siddharth Lecture. So today we are going to discuss on comments in Java. Let's see. What is comment in Java? A description about the basic programming element or code is called comments. Comments are made for developer to understand the purpose of that particular code. Types of comment. Java supports three types of comments. First, single line comment. Second, multiple line comments. Third, document comments. Actually, statements placed inside this special character are ignored by the compiler while compiling the class. It means compiler will not generate bytecode for those comments. So comments are not appear in .class file. Let's see the demo now. On the screen you can see a one little example. Line number 1, this is a single line comment. Line number 2 to 6, it is a document comments, and line number 8 to 10, it is a multiple line comments. Now you can understand what is the main difference between these three comments. That's it. I hope you understand. Thank you.